Hey everyone, welcome back to one more video. In this video, I will tell you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. So follow the step to delete. First open your Instagram and click on your profile icon and then click on the three dot drop down button and then go to the accounts and center. Now go to the personal detail. Now account ownership and control, click on it and then choose deactivate or deletion. Now select your ID. Now delete and then continue. Choose the region and continue. Next continue. Now continue and fill the password here and then continue. After doing this step, your account deleted permanently after 30 days. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.